Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to see how to bookmark and save tweets on Twitter in order to come and see them later, or anything or any use that you can save the Twitter for. And let's get started. Let's open Twitter. Let's here search for a tweet. For example, I want to save this tweet and I want to come to it back later, so let's click on here. As you can see, this is the like button. On the right of it there is the share button. Click on it. As you can see, there is copy link to tweet, and here is add tweet to bookmarks. So now it's added to bookmarks. Click view. As you can see, here is my bookmarks, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down for us below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.